watch just got issued.
Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Here are the 1 p.m. observations for the area. At the Raleigh-Durham Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 77 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 82%. The wind was east at 8 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.04 inches and falling. At the Harnett County Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 82 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 69%. The wind was east at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.03 inches and falling. Elsewhere across the state,
I'm in the tornado watch.
Nashville, light rain was falling.
Wayne County is in the tornado watch.
At Lewisburg, it was cloudy with a temperature of 70.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 477, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Harnett, Johnston, Wake, and Wayne. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
My index is relaying.
This is NOAA weather. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 477, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Johnston, Lee, Moore, Randolph, and Wake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather, radio, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The cold front this afternoon over southern North Carolina. A weak low pressure is expected to track along the front.
All right, here we go. Day's just begun.